Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to create an outfit as a beginner. So like, comment and subscribe. Head over to my gallery to import my reference photo. The next thing to do is to reduce the opacity of the model and create a new layer. I'm going to be making use of my smooth concept pencil. I'm going to check the size and I'm going to reduce it to 2. So I'm going to use black color to go all over it. So what I'm going to do is to recreate this exact dress on my croquis model. Create a new layer, then we'll move the outline of our dress upward. Now we're going to make use of our desired color. For me, I don't want to create black. I want to make use of a different color. So just heading over to my color dice to pick the color I would like to work with. Okay, so now I'll go all over the dress with the red color. So I'm done going all over the dress. What I'll do now is to click on the croquis model and hide the croquis. I'll also click on the outline of the dress. So it's going to remain just the red color. Then I'm going to click on my tools. I'm going to make use of fill. That's all. This is what I have. So what I'll do now is to open the layer, do the same thing here. The next step is to create a new layer. Click on your clipping marks. Then now I'm going to make use of a darker shade of red. Head over to my pen, my brushes. I'm going to look for soft airbrush. Increase the opacity, check the size. The next step is to reduce the size of my soft airbrush. I'll do the same thing on this line. So this is the bust. Make use of my blending tools. I'll check for, okay, it's on soft airbrush, so just going to increase the size, check the opacity, okay. So I'm just going to make use of my eraser because I don't like the shape, or better still, I'll just undo everything, then I'll make use of my eraser. So the next step is to create a new layer. So I'm still making use of my clipping marks on the new layer. So now I'm going to use a brighter shade of red color. I'll reduce the opacity of my soft airbrush. Next thing is to reduce the opacity of the outline of the dress. So I'm just going to make use of my eraser to erase this part. Just do the same thing here. I'm just making some adjustments. So that's all. The reason why my own is this obvious is because I'm using a different color. So I don't know if you can see the lines on the reference photo. So I'm just going to, I want to do something extra. I don't want to just leave it this way. I want to add something else to it. So I'll just click here and create a new layer. I'm going to choose from my brushes. Okay. I'm giving it this glitter look. I don't want it to look plain. That's all. Just increase the opacity of my model. And this is what we have. So what I'll do now is to just create a shoe for my model. I'll click here, create a new layer. I'll make use of my smooth pen. Change the color. Just want to add something. So that's all for this class. See you in my next video.